Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, you have received the summative assessment. Isn't it, children? Summative assessment model paper you have received, isn't it? So, in that, you can see there are about 12 bits. Okay, so we will start with the revision and we will learn each and every topic. Every bit includes each topic, so we will try to recollect all the topics, all the concepts. Okay, summative assessment to revision. Okay, so the first bit is measure the angles and classify them. So measuring the angles using the protractor. So for the example, if this is the given angle, you need to place the protractor. You have to check which angle is that. You know, isn't it, children? From 0 it is about 55 or 55 degrees. So you will remove the protractor and you will write 55 degrees there. Here it is 50, but actually it is 55. So you will write 55. And you need to classify also. So while classifying, how you need to classify whether it is an acute angle, whether it is an obtuse angle, a right angle, straight angle, or zero angle. Here it is acute angle, isn't it? Less than 90 is acute angle. So you need to write acute angle. Okay, so this is your first bit. So this is an example for it. You have sums related to this concept in your content book as well as in your skill sheet, children. Practice both the sums in the content book, which we have done in the content book, and the skill sheet. It will be easy for you to do it in the exam. Okay, next, coming to the next bit, draw an angle. So some angle I'll be giving. For example, here I have taken 30 degrees. So first you need to draw a line and place the protractor in such a way that the vertex of the line, that is the start point of the ray, coincides with the midpoint of the protractor in that way. And then you will take 30 degrees point and you will draw the line. Okay, you can make it a point over there. Okay, if you make a point there, then it will be easy for you to draw the line. We have done already in 10th block also, we have done in 11th block also, we have done, isn't it, children? So do practice those angles in the content book, the questions which we have done in your classwork with those angles, and also the angles which I have given in the skill sheet. It will be easy for you. So after drawing, you will make the angle and you will write which angle is, how much angle is that, what is the angle there. Okay, so that is your second bit. Now coming to the third bit, children, fraction will be given where you have to convert into a decimal number, decimals. Okay, so fraction is 4 by 5. So 4 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. Yes, so denominator becomes the divisor and numerator becomes the dividend. We have to divide and we have to write the decimal. So 5 becomes, denominator becomes divisor here, and the numerator becomes the dividend. You will write here. Okay, now 4 is less than 5. We cannot divide. 4 doesn't, we don't have 4 in the 5 table. So what you have to do, you have to place 0 point in the quotient and you can write 0 below. Okay, now that becomes 40. In 5 table you have to check whether you have 40 or not. Yes, you do have. 5 8s are 40, so you will write 8. 5 8s are 40. 40, then in division you will subtract, isn't it, children? So you will do subtraction. 40 minus 40, that is 0 minus 0. 4 minus 4 will be give you 0. So the quotient will be the answer, that is the decimal of 4 by 5. So what you will write, therefore 4 by 5 is equal to 0.8. In this way you need to solve the sums where you have to convert the fraction into a decimal. Okay, which is the third bit for the model paper. Yes, and in the same way you have sums in your content book which we have solved in the classwork and also in the skill sheet. Try to practice as much as you can so that you don't get confused between in any of the steps to solve this. Okay, next you have fourth bit, which is vice versa. Decimals will be given and you need to write the fraction. So this is the simplest one, where you only need to remove the decimal. Here it is 6.3. So you'll write 63. You will remove the decimal 63, and in the denominator 63 becomes the numerator, and denominator, as in the question after decimal there is only one digit, isn't it, children? So you will write 10. If you have two digits, for example there is 8, 6.38 you have, then what you will do, you will remove the decimal as it is, 638 you will make it as numerator, but in the denominator you will add one more zero. So after decimal how many digits are there, according to that digits, number of digits, you will place the zeros beside one in the denominator. Okay, this is the easiest one. So this also you have in your problems in your content book, sums. Try to solve them and again solve the problems which I have given in the skill sheet. That becomes a practice for your children, so that you can do it in the exam without doing any mistakes. Okay, try to practice more. Maths you have to practice, isn't it, children? So do practice these four bits for today. Tomorrow we will learn the other bits. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.